Here is Cinta Verde, Nicaragua. Here are the schools, hospitals, and markets closest to Cinta Verde and Esquipulas, and in between them is a river. During the rainy season, when the river floods, all of the children can't go to school. If you are sick, you can't go to the hospital, and farmers can't make it to the markets. The Nicaraguans can't reach their full potential because they don't have the same access to opportunity. We are Continental Crossings, and we help communities reach their potential by spending 2 months of the summer building a footbridge. You have the power to help us achieve the United Nations Millennium Development Goals to combat poverty, provide universal primary education, and halt the spread of HIV/AIDS. By designing a one-of-a-kind bridge for Cinta Verde, we are applying our engineering skills to the advancement of human welfare.
We are Continental Crossings. Help us help them.
Woo!